If money matters to you, this is your door. If you think learning any AI tool will automatically make you money in 2026, then you're already behind. What companies are paying for is not actually fancy tools. It is applied AI skills that solve business problems, real-time problems. And most people are actually learning the wrong things. Hello, I'm Ree, and this is Money Time with Ree. And on this channel, we'll talk about how to make money, how to invest money, and how to avoid financial mistakes. Today, we are going beyond the generic AI talk. I'm going to show you the exact AI skills that companies are actually hiring and paying for in 2026, and how you can position yourself ahead every other friend chaser out there. Here's the truth: thousands of people are learning every AI skill under the sun. Well, that doesn't mean they'll get paid. Learning tools without business application equates zero demand. People are chasing what is trending instead of what companies are buying, what companies are paying for. And many are out there thinking AI skills equates fun but useless. Well, it's the other way around. That is connect tools versus business value is why most AI experts are not actually making enough income. By the end of the video, you know the top AI skills companies are paying for in 2026, why they pay for them, and how you can start training for them right now, even without no prior experience. The first one is AI workflow automation specialist. The AI workflow automation specialist. Company hates repetitive work. They'll pay someone to automate it. True or true? Of course, you know the answer. Companies are paying people to pay AI-driven workflows using APIs, triggers, and automation stacks. This was because it saves time, reduces human error, and improves efficiency. Tools like Zapier, N10, Make.com, etc. are used for AI workflow automation. This particular skill is for people who love systems, not just tools. A freelance automation specialist could set up a lead routing system using Zapier plus AI and charge between $500 to $2,000 per month or per client, because this saves the client's hours daily. The second skill you'll be learning is AI-powered data analysis and insights specialist. This one alone doesn't pay, insight does. Companies collect data, but people who make money are people who can interpret this data using AI. Of course, also turn it into business decisions. Companies pay for this because better decisions equates better profits, better pay, and it makes forecasting smarter. They use tools like Excel plus AI add-ons, SQL basis plus AI analysis, and business intelligence tools plus AI like Looker Studio, Power BI, etc. The companies people make is thinking dashboard equates insights. Of course, it doesn't. Insight equates recommendation plus action steps. An AI augmented data analyst can turn sales data into quarterly action plans, and paid testers can pay between 2,000 to 5,000 naira for that data per month. The third point here is AI prompt engineering for business output. Not all prompts are created equally. The ones that generate money are engineered for results. Prompt engineering is not just writing requests. It is precise prompt that deliver sales copies, lead generation messages, SEO content, market research reports. Companies pay for this because prompts that generate revenue producing outputs are worth a lot. Tools like ChatGPT advanced prompting, Claude/Gemini workflows, Rock templates for sales, SEO, and email automation. The most common mistake for this particular one is people use prompts for curiosity, not output. Of course, commercial output. Prompt engineers for marketing agencies can charge between $300 to $1,000 per project because they produce directly monetizable content. The fourth point I'm making in this video is AI content strategy and implementation specialist. AI can generate content, but businesses are paying for strategy that drive revenue. This particular role is about planning what to post, when to post it, and why to post it, using AI to execute it. This is valuable because it cuts content costs. improves engagement, and generate leads of conversion. Tools and skills used are ChatGPT plus AI editing pipelines, AI image and video synthesis tools, content calendars plus automation scheduling. Another common mistake we make is posting AI content randomly without strategy or KPI. For example, did you know that a content strategist can build a 90-day plan plus execution system and charge about $500 to $1,000? I know that most of you didn't know that. Well, if you watch this video up to now, it shows one thing. It shows that you like how we break down strategies over here. And that's the sign to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and comment below. Tell me which AI skill you want me to break down in details in my next video. Let's move on. Now, I'll be addressing 3 myths that keep people stuck and is becoming popular by the day. First one is AI will take your job. The truth is AI replaces tasks, not value-driven humans. Those who combine AI with strategic thinking get paid more. The second myth is you need to be a tech genius. Well, that's a lie actually. That's a big fat lie. The truth is you don't need to be a coder. You just need to solve business problems using AI. The third one is AI income is unpredictable. Well, the truth is AI monetization becomes predictable when tied to measurable outcomes, leads, sales, engagements, and insights. Please skip on this video and start learning it this week. Don't spread yourself. Team mastery happens when you focus. I wasn't even going to say this, but the most powerful combo in 2023 is AI plus business understanding. People who can not only produce AI output but understand what businesses need them are commanding high rates in instantly. And this particular one separates professionals from hobbies. If you apply even one skill on this day, you're already ahead of a lot of people trying to make money with AI in 2030. Thank you for joining me on today's episode of Money Time with you. I hope you learned something new and valuable. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and keep the notification bell on to keep you updated of all my latest videos. And until next time, stay financially fabulous.